Are you tired, even when you haven't done anything today? Feeling exhausted for no reason, like your body is betraying you? You're not lazy. Your body is trying to tell you something. Today, we're going to uncover why and what you can do to fix it. 1. Poor sleep. First, let's talk about sleep. Not just any sleep, real, deep sleep. If you're waking up tired, it doesn't matter how many hours you spend in bed. Your sleep might be broken, or your body might not be reaching that deep, restorative stage. Try going to bed at the same time every night. Keep your room dark and quiet. No phones before bed. Even small changes can give you energy like a battery recharge. 2. Nutrition and hydration. Next, what you eat and drink. Your body needs fuel, real fuel. Too little water? You'll feel sluggish. Missing vitamins like iron, B12, or D. Your energy can plummet. Drink water throughout the day. Eat leafy greens, eggs, nuts, and fruits. If you suspect a deficiency, ask a doctor about blood tests. Fuel your body, and it will reward you with energy. 3. Stress and mental health. Ever notice you feel drained after just thinking too much? Stress, anxiety, or depression can wipe out your energy faster than any workout. Your mind is connected to your body. Try deep breathing, meditation, or even a short walk outside. Small mental breaks can recharge your energy more than coffee ever will. 4. Lifestyle habits. Even if you're not moving a lot, lifestyle habits matter. Sitting all day, staring at screens, skipping meals, it all steals your energy. Stand up, stretch, walk for 5 minutes every hour. Eat regularly. Move your body a little. It wakes up your cells and your mind. When to see a doctor. Sometimes, fatigue isn't just lifestyle, it can signal something serious. Thyroid issues, diabetes, heart problems, these can all start with unexplained tiredness. If fatigue is constant, worsening, or comes with dizziness, weight changes, or shortness of breath, see a doctor. Don't ignore your body's warning signs. Take control of your energy starting today. Sleep better, eat better, move more, listen to your body, and take action. Your energy is in your hands.